Feeling frustrated with stubborn locks? Fairfax, meet your lock heroes, MacArthur Locks and Doors. We don't just fix locks, we provide peace of mind. Stubborn deadbolt? Need a security upgrade? We've got you covered. No drama, no delays, just professional, fast service. We know locks and doors like no other, so we understand your concerns. And the best part? We solve all key and lock issues with precision and care. So why risk your security? Your Locksmith solution is here, solving your home or business security issues. Got lock problems? Don't wait. Dial 202-760-4589 today.